Okay, you're looking at the 31 Kumi-jo. I like to practice it, so it puts a fair bit of pressure on both people doing the practice. It's often done at longer distance, further away, but I prefer to do it this way. So I'll be showing it like that. We're going to split it up into the different groups, show the links between them, and finally show the whole thing. Okay, so this is 1 to 3 of the 31 Kumi-jo. So if you're familiar with the kata, which I assume you will be, you're going to be in this start position. If he comes in deep enough to scare me enough to move, this is going to hit hard. So there's no way he can come in that deep. So he either has to block this on the way in which case we're into a full advanced flow, which isn't going to stop, or he has to sort of pull back a bit before I hit him. The way a lot of people deal with it is to sort of just do a thrust that ends somewhere here. I don't really like that because it kind of sets the tone for the rest of the part of practice that you're not really doing anything. So you can deal with that by coming in and you go for the initial thrust, but then don't complete it. You sort of see the move from my side and stop. Okay, so we'll just go with it and see how it goes. Right. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to pause after each movement. So I might talk a bit through some of them. So first move is he thrusts. I'm going to wind this movement in. So this is a stop hit. I'm going to keep this tight to the body, move to there, okay? So that spirals towards him. It shouldn't come far to the side, but I've got to get my entire body off the line so he doesn't hit. Okay, so 1. He then draws back and parries. 2. It's fairly standard block. 3. This is an uncounted extra move. So I rotate, strike out the way, rotate back, and then 3. Okay.